All right, I want to talk to you guys about stone veneer walls. And one of the coolest things that I've seen in recent years is pre-cut, pre-sawn stone on the back side. So you don't have to take hammers and chisels and chip it down to the size that you need and have a lot of waste. In fact, there's almost no waste when you use these kind of stones. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You get stones like this, which is a combination of Oklahoma or Tennessee fieldstone, and they have flat backs on them. They're pre-sawn so you can veneer these right to the surface of a wall. Now the product itself is definitely more expensive, but you do save in time and labor and wasted materials because you're not sitting there chipping and chipping the stones for sometimes days before you can even start working on your vertical surface. So I have several large projects coming up where I am going to be using this stone, and I'm really excited about it because I don't mind spending the extra on the materials. I think this is just going to be an incredible time saver. So if you have some experience using these stones and these patterns, please share it, because I love to see some pictures of finished work and find out how you liked working with that. Here's an example of a pattern that I've mocked up on the ground to give you an idea of what that will look like. So if you're looking to get away from all of the on-site chipping and the technical work or the artistry work that comes with having a dedicated stonemason on your project, this simplifies things a lot, I think. A lot of the artistry comes in how to chip a rock manually to get it to split right where you want it to. And certainly there's stonemasons that have years and years of experience that can do this great, but I've done it myself and it's hard work. So why not use a product that makes life easier? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.